We can't wait. Saturday also we waited, right? Like that only. So today I can't. Yeah, guys, what we discussed in the previous class? Yeah, good afternoon, Neha. What we discussed in the previous class? Huh? Display flux. Parent property is done, right? Now we need to discuss about the child properties. Flux child properties. Now, whenever we are applying anything, everything is applicable for the parent only till now. Now today we are discussing about the child properties. Now in that first one, we will take it as a order. What do you mean by order, ma? Yeah. What do you mean by order? Yeah. What do you mean by order? Arranging, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 3, 4, like that. However, or not, we want arranging that one. Now here also same thing. If I want to order the elements on the different things, different pieces, it means 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, ma. I want to arrange the element of 4, 1, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 elements I have. Now I want to arrange it in a 4, 1, 2, 3. So in these cases, we can use the order only to align the items like that. Now, second one, flex grow. Flex grow. Now, what do you mean by this flex grow? Means divide the entire width in the parts. Na parts equally distributed. Now, for suppose the entire width we can take is 100%, right? How many parts I can divide that one? N number of parts, right? That is the use case of flex grow. Flex grow. Flux shrink. Now, what do you mean by this flux shrink? Means now whenever reducing the screen size, right? Whenever we are reducing the screen size, at that time what will happen? The element also will reduce, right? Yes or no? Okay. This thing in English will be a bit complicated, ma. So we'll discuss in the both of them. Okay. Simple. First, Telugu people will listen. Hindi people again I will repeat, right? Don't worry. సో ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేస్తానంటే ఒక కంటైనర్ అనేది తీసుకుంటా. దాని యొక్క సైజ్ ఎంత అంటే 700 పిక్సెల్ విడ్త్. ఓకే, ఇమాజిన్ గైస్, జస్ట్ ఇమాజిన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సివినా? What do you mean by CV, Vaishnavi? Tamil I don't know, Maheshwar. You did not understand Telugu or Hindi, ah? Okay, then I will explain in English only. If you're not understanding this, then tell me again. I will proceed that one. Now, just imagine you are taking out the width of the container is a 700 pixel. It means the width of the container is a 700 pixel there. Inside that I am creating 3 childrens. Inside that I am creating the 3 childrens. It means each and every width of the children is 300 pixel. Each and every children width is 300 pixel. Now 3 children means what is the width overall? 300 plus 300 plus 300. How much width it was? 900. What is my parent width? Only 700. How much extra it is there? 200 pixel extra. This calculation is understanding, huh? What do you mean by that? So here you can check. Parent width equals to 700 pixel. Child into 3 equals to 900 pixel. If I am applying the display flux, the display flux property is already applied there. Is it clear? Now child into 3 equals to 900 pixel completely. How much extra I have? 900 minus 700 equals to 200 pixel I have. 200 pixel I have. When I will apply the flux shrink 1 for all three elements, flux string 1, flux string 1, flux string 1. Now what will happen? 200 divided by 3. 200 divided by 3. Now each part how much ma? 63 something? 63.33 like that. Now each and every part is a 63.33. Now here what will happen? Now each one is a 900 pixel, right? 300 pixel, 300 pixel, 300 pixel. From child 1, C1 equals to 300 minus 63. Okay. From the child 2 equals to 300 minus 63. Now from the child 3 equals to 300 minus 63. Now what is each individual ma? 137 1 sorry 237 or 47 237 here also equals to 237 here also equals to 237. Here what is happening? Now here the extra pixel how much is there means it will dividing into three parts and it is taking equally from the each and every container. Is it clear? This is the first case. This is the first case. Now some 66.66 ah. Okay, we'll add that one only. What all వచ్చింది? Okay, 66, 66, 66. Now it means here 234, 234, 234. It means what will happen from the three content it is taking 234 pixel out, 234 pixel, sorry, 66 pixel out, 66 pixel out, 66 pixel out. Now what will happen completely? 234, 234, 234. Equally distributed now. It means when you're reducing also, space is equally taking from the containers, along with it is reducing. This case is clear. Now in such cases are there, what will happen here? One container should be take the entire width as it is. For example, when we are traveling there, some kids are there, right? With us holding the years baby or months baby. What they will do if they are traveling on the trains means they will give the entire berth for that kid only. The reel is also there, right? Unpaid passenger is taking the full seat, paid passenger are adjusting like that. Yes or no? There, what do you mean that means? Here, one container, it will take exact width how much we are giving. 300 pixel I am giving means 300 pixel it should take. Now, extra how much is there? 200 pixel is there, right? 300, 300, 300 is there. So first container wants 300 pixel as it is. They don't want to change anything there. Now remaining 200 pixel from where I need to take remaining two containers. Then how many parts it is happening? Two parts only, right? 100 pixel from the one container, 100 pixel from the one container. This is the case 2. Okay. Case 3. First container wanted as is 300 pixel. Second container, it will be reduced little bit, not completely. It will be reduced a little bit. Last one, however we want, we can use. Now what I will do, again I will divide into the three parts. From the second container, I will take only one part. It means out of 200 pixel, from the second container, I will take only the 66 pixel. Remaining everything is there at how much remaining? 124 124 or 134 230. 200 minus 66, 134 only, right? Yes or no? 134 pixel will be taking from the third container. It means flux shrink how much height was, that much parts from there it is taking. That is nothing but a flux shrink. Is it clear or not clear? Online people, is it clear for you? Guys, respond, guys. You join late. Your message only first is there. You are telling join late. Now only I'm explaining that one. What is the doubt? Yes, ma. Second and third case. Okay, we'll also type that one also. Right? So, parent width is a 700 pixel, child width is a 900 pixel. Okay, this is the first case. Case one. Atish, after the parent properties, child properties I need to complete. After that only I will go for the grid. It is flux is not yet completed. Flux child properties I am discussing. Flux item properties. Is it clear? Yeah. Case two. Yeah, guys. Now case two again. Now in this case two, what is happening? Again, I have a 200 pixel remaining ma. So child one, it is taking the 300 pixel as it is. Okay, it means from the 200 pixel it is not giving anything also, it is not taking anything also, as it is there. Now remaining one is there, right? 100 pixel, 200 pixel I need to take somewhere else, right? So what I will do, c2 equals to 300 minus 100 equals to 200 pixel. Now c3 equals 100 minus 100 equals to 200 pixel. Now this is nothing but x2, guys. It means it is dividing into the two parts only. From the child 2 it is taking 100 pixel. From the child 3 it is taking the 100 pixel. This is the case 2. Case 3. Case 3. Now in this case 3 what will happen? Remaining 200 pixel again. So in this child 1 equals to 300 pixel as it is taking. It is nothing we are doing. But here child 2 is telling, so I have also some importance is there. I can't give that much of space. I can't give the that much of space, this much space. It means from my side I can give the one part only. Okay, it means one part means I'm dividing into three parts more ma. Then last one is telling, okay, I can give, I have much more of empty spaces, you can take from my land. So what it is happening here, from the child 2 it is taking 300 minus 66 only equals to 234. 234 is there, but in the child 3 it is taking the double. 300 minus 132. Yeah, 132 equals to minus how much, Ray? 2 268. 168 is there. Now it means from the third container I'm taking the 132 pixel out. It means remaining is a 168. The width of the third container is 168. The width of the second container is 234. The width of the first container is 300 pixel only. This is nothing but a case 3. Is it clear, guys, online people now? Yeah. Everybody clear? Yeah, fine. So next property. How many properties completed? 3. So fourth property is nothing but a align self. Align self. Now align self is having the values of center slash start slash end. It means align self is a property which can align the items individually. Align items is there, right? How it is aligning on the cross axis. Same thing here also, but we are targeting the individual one and we are taking individual one and we are taking that one. Now fifth one is nothing but a flux basis. Flux basis we need to give the value. Now, flux basis means we can give the values in the pixel format also, or else we can give the percentage format also. Percentage means from the parent, I will take 10 percentage, 20 percentage is there, right? Same like that only. If you have a 1 lakh rupees, what is the 10 1 lakh? 10,000 only, right? 20 percentage, 15 percentage, 15,000. Same like that here also what will happening. Entire parent I will consider as a 100 percentage. From that I will taking the 15 percentage of the width, 20 percent of the width, 60 percentage of the width. These all are will give to the child. From here you need to take this much. From here you need to take this much only we are taking. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Next, sixth one flex. Sixth one flex. It is a shorthand property for the flux grow, flux shrink, and flux grow, flux shrink, flux basis. This is the shorthand property for the all of them: flux grow, flux shrink, and the flux basis. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? Now we will see each individual one. Yeah, guys. Now you can check here. I'm writing the section. Inside the section, I'm using the 3 articles. Inside the section, I'm using the 3 articles. So I'm targeting here section. I'm giving as a height as a 700 pixel. Width as a 700 pixel. Border solid red. Okay, same thing. Article height as a 300 pixel. Width as a 300 pixel. Border solid green. So like that Font size I'm writing as a 48 pixel. Font weight 900. So if I run this, so it is looking like this, ma. It is looking like this. It's only I have to align. So here I'm writing the display flux. Aligned? All are adjusted in the small containers only, right? Yes or no? All are adjusted in the. Now you can see size also decreased. The width of the container also decreased. Now what I need to do? First we will use the order. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, right? 3, 1, 2, I want to make order. 3, 1, 2. It means starting with the 3. In between is a 1. At the end should be 2. So what I will do here? Section article colon first child of order. I will not writing anything, man. That's normal. I'm targeting. Section article colon nth child of 2. So here also I will write the order. Nth child of 3. Order. Yeah, guys. What order I want? First it should be 3, right? So for the 3, I'm giving the order as a 1. 3, 1, 2. For the first child, it should be 2, right? So it means here I need to give the 2. After this one is the last 3. Now you can check here. 3, 1, 2 done. A tab index, remember, same to same this one. There we are using the property called tab index. Here we are using the property called order. That's it. Remaining everything is the same only. Remaining everything is the same only. Is it clear? Yes, ma. When you click on the tab, which position it is going? Same this one also like that only. Now we are deciding the order, which order I want. There also that one only we are deciding ना. वहां पर भी क्या हो रहा है, मैं क्या डिसाइड कर रहा हूँ? जब मैं टैब क्लिक करूंगा कौन सी ऑर्डर में जाना चाहिए मेरे को? यहाँ पर भी तो मैं वही कर रहा हूँ ना. ऑर्डर ही हो गया ना वो भी. ये भी ऑर्डर हो गया ना. मैं एज इट इज वो नहीं बता रहा. जैसे हमने टैब इंडेक्स का ऑर्डर सेट किया वैसे इसका भी ऑर्डर कर सेट कर सकते हैं. बस वही बता रहा हूँ. एज इट इज नहीं है वहाँ. मैं एज इट इज करके बोल भी नहीं रहा. Just how we set the order for the tab index, same like that here also we can set the order. That's it. Okay. Now next one, what we have? Flex grow. When I will use the flex grow, no need to use the width of that. No need to use the width of that. Now you can check there is a width, right? So simply I will first comment it the order. So it should be normal working. It is in the original format now. Okay. Now, but when I will apply the directly flux grow here, flux grow 1 article directly I'm giving. No, it is not possible, right? Flux grow only. Now here what will happen? You can check. Am I dividing anything? Equally, it will divide automatically. If I will remove the, okay, for that one, we will do one thing, ma. Background color red, background color blue, background color green, color white. So for this to apply, it should be center. We'll do one thing. Display flux align item center, justify content center. Yeah. Now is it clear, ma? So when I will removing the width for the container, parent container, let's check what will happen. Equal distributed, right? Am I giving any width for it? 33.33% you need to take. No, right? Flux grow is that one only. The entire container is dividing into the 3 parts. So if I have a more parts, sir. Okay. You can take 4 and 5. 5 parts it is dividing. If I have a one more part, one more part it should came. It means it will not check the width. Just it is giving the equal width for the each and every container. That's it. Because there is no width for that, right? So equally it will give the each and every width. That is nothing but a flux chroma. So what I will do, last three I will remove. So, sir, in between one I want should be more width for that. In between second container I want more. So now totally how many parts it is dividing? Three parts only, right? So for the second container, I am giving the flux grow 2. Now how many parts are completely? See here. Flux grow 1, flux grow 2, flux 1 again. Now how many parts totally now? 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4 parts only. Out of 4 parts, 2 parts it is taking. Blue one, green one is taking one container, red one is taking one container. Now you can check. It means 4 parts I am dividing. Out of 4 parts, 2 parts I am giving for the second container, 1 part is giving for the red container, 1 part is giving for the green. Sir, green one also I want to 2. How we will divide? 5. Out of 5, 2 parts will take the second container, 2 parts will take the green container, 1 part will be taken by the first container. Now you can check 2. Done? Sir, first one also 2 parts it will take. Equally distributed again. First part it will take 3 parts. Now you can check. Clear ma? This is nothing but we are creating one type of layouts however we want. That's it. Nothing is there. This is nothing but a flux grow. Okay. Next one, flux shrink I will use. So what I will do here. So everything is equally distributed, right? Now for the article, I will apply the flux shrink 1. Case 1 ma. Case 1. Flux shrink 1. Now is there any changes there? No change. So how to check that one means right click, go for the inspect. Right click, go for the inspect, click here. Now here you will get this 2 symbols are there, right? Top left corner. See here. Click on the responsive. This one only. Okay. Now you can check here. Now you can check when in reducing the size, equally reducing, right? Any changes there? No change. Equal it is reducing for me. Okay, fine. So now I will remove the flux string from here. So for the first shell, I'm not giving anything, ma. So I am not giving anything. From the second child, flux string, I am using as a 2. So flux string, I am giving the value as a 1 here. It means 2 parts are taking from the second container, 1 part is taking from the first container. Again, slightly it will change, ma, not completely. See here. Which one is reducing fast? Which one, ma? Okay. So here I will do one thing to understand more easily. Flux basis only I'm applying for this 300 pixel. Okay. Now you can check here properly. Okay. Now you can check. Okay, fine. Now which one? At least red one a little bit also it is reduced. But second one is reducing fast and third one is after that. Check carefully. See, till now, the first one is reducing. Is it clear, ma? What is happening here? This is nothing a flux shrink. This is nothing but a flux shrink. Okay. So easily, if I want to see, sir, more I want to see. So before going that, we need to discuss the flux basis. Then again, I will display you the flux shrink. Till now, clear how it is working. So I am taking here as a three parts. From the second container, I am taking three parts. Now you can check. See. Again, same. See. Second container, how much width is there? Third container, width is there. Reducing fast only, right? Second, it means three parts I'm taking from there. One part from the green color. Red color, 0. Now again, you can check. See. Is it clear as how it is working? Online people, is it clear for you? Online people, what happened? Today nobody is active. Here also nobody is active. Anything happened? Nah? Where is Shushil? Today Shushil is not there. Sridhar, Shushil. Huh? Shushil, really, re? Sridhar, Shushil, Maheshwar, Atish. Atish is here. Maheshwar, okay. Neha is here. So many people are there. Everybody responding. Nobody is today. Gopesh. Okay, fine. Do active, Ray. I know that Deepavali vibes are not yet completed, but our class should be moving on, right? So you need to come again to the class. I only started late today. Sushil, are you there? We'll check for the Sushil. Sushil is not there. Sushil is not there. Leave. Okay, guys. This is nothing but a flux string. Next one is the flux basis. Again, I will close this. So, flux basis means for each and every part we will design. Okay, guys. Now, this one only we will divide into the navbar by using the flux basis. Just imagine for the logo how much width it will take. You guys only tell. Just imagine one navbar. I'm dividing into that navbar into the three parts. Profile block should be there, navigation block should be there, and logo block should be there. How much part we will give for the logo? Huh? Percentage tell me. 10 na? Okay. So I'm giving the flux basis as a 10 percentage. Okay, ma? Now, second container, navigation block, how much we can give? Huh? 60 percentage. Last one is the profile one only, right? Flux basis, huh? Remaining 60 plus 10, 70, 30 percentage. Now you can check here. Clear? Is it clear now how it is dividing everything according to the percentages also we can give? No, sir, I want pixels means pixel also you can give. Now, what is the advantage of here? Percentages and pixel. Pixel means it is each and every screen size it will take that much only. If it is a 300 pixel means definitely it will take 300 pixel. But in the percentage what will happen according to the screen size it is taking from that percentage. For example, you want to write a one formula, ma. Simple. No, don't take too much of complicated. They will give some money for you. You need to calculate 10% of that money and you need to return them. Are you getting my point? It means you are having the 1 lakh rupee. They are giving you the 1 lakh rupee. You need to return the 10 percentage of 1 lakh rupee. How much percentage you will give? They are giving you 1 lakh. You need to return the 10 percentage. How much you will give? 10,000. 2 lakhs they are giving means? Yeah, go on. 30, 2 lakhs, 10 percentage. In Lakal Rava, 20,000, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5. Here, what is changing? Money or percentage? Money only, right? Same thing now link with this. Now, whenever I'm declaring percentage changing, screen size is changing. Screen size only, right? From the screen size only, it is changing that much of percentage. So, this is the one way we will apply. Flux grow also we can use, or else. No, sir, I want properly, I want to fix that one means you can use the flux basis. Is it clear, all of you? Clear or not clear, Ray? Clear? Yeah. Now we will see the flux shorthand property. So, okay. Yeah. Now flux grow is there, right? Yeah, it is applied the flux grow now. So, what I will do here for the first container, first child, flux I am applying, flux grow, flux shrink, flux basis. Flux grow 1, flux shrink 1, flux basis 300 pixel. Is it clear, ma? Now, same thing. Flux shrink 2 I am giving now. Okay? Same thing. Flux shrink 3. Now all are the 300 pixels only. Let's see how it will work. Everything fine only now? Responsive again? Again I will decreasing. See here, flux shrink 3, flux shrink 2, flux shrink 1. So when it is a big, everything fine only. When it is a brick, everything is a fine only because 300 pixel basis it was when you're decreasing, it should be automatically, it should be done. Now you can check here. Any changes there? Now there is no change. More I will reduce. Change is there. Which one is reducing faster? 3. Second one is reducing slow, right? Change is there. Sir, from the starting I want to check. So what I will do here, I will make it as a 6. Totally 8 parts. Sorry, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9 parts. Out of 9 parts, I am giving 6 parts to the container only. From the second container, I am taking only the 2 parts. Is it clear, ma? 2 parts only I am taking. Now you can check how it will work. Now it will work. See. Okay. Reducing, reducing, reducing. See. First, third container is reducing when it is width is not. So see. After that second, after that one. Is it clear, ma? This is nothing but a flux. This is nothing but a flux. Of you, how it is working. Now, next one. Next one is nothing but a align self. So, for the first container, I am applying the align self. Start. Flex start and start are both are the same only. Ma. Flex start is there. Any change is there? No change. Okay. For the second container, L self center. Okay. came at the center. Huh? Now last one. Align self end flex end. That's it. It means we are moving that individual element. We are moving the individual element. Is it clear, all of you? This is nothing but a flux. Sorry, align self. These all are the flux child prop. Is it clear? All of you clear? Shall we move to the design one now or properly now? Properly now. Previously, what is happening for logo? We are giving so much of width. For navigation also, we are giving little bit. Profile also, we are using so much. So we will today we will design it in the proper manner. So how to design that one? Child properties, navbar, index.html, index.css. Guys, here anybody having the knowledge on JavaScript? No one, huh? No, 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 no. Neha, you didn't get align self? Clear or not clear, amma? Align self. हाँ, align self is nothing ma. देखो यहाँ पर क्या और align self का अलाइन आइटम्स का मतलब क्या है? वो हो गया क्रॉस एक्सिस में अलाइन करता है, ऊपर नीचे बीच में करके। अलाइन सेल्फ को क्या वो करते हैं उसको, उसका इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट को हम लोग अलाइन कर रहे हैं बस। अब देखो यहाँ पर क्या होगा। ओ हियर व्हाट आई विल डू नाउ फ्रॉम हियर। अब यहाँ पर देखो मैं क्या करूंगा। थर्ड एलिमेंट है जो अलाइन सेल्फ, वो हो गया फ्लेक्स एंड पे ना, एंड पे आ गया। इसी को मैं क्या करता हूँ, सेंटर दे देता हूँ। दिस वन आई मेक इट एज अ सेंटर। So now you can check it is moving to the center. So this one I will make it as a flex start. Should be at the starting. It means individual element if I want to align at that time I will use the align self. Individual element if I want to align at that time I will use the align self. Is it clear now, Neha? Yeah, fine. Now we will design a nav bar properly. Guys, are you guys able to imagine? Shall we try? Oh, sorry. Link index.css. Yeah, guys. So first I will create a one main tag. Inside that I will create the nav bar. Okay. Now nav bar is dividing into how many parts? What are they? Section hashtag 3. First one logo. Second one navigation. Third one profile. What is the CSS I need to write now? Yeah. Section nav. Okay. Display flux. स्टार्टिंग दिक्कत है। गो लाइव। हाँ। नेक्स्ट विड्थ 100% वो खुद ले लेगा, उसकी जरूरत नहीं है, ऑटोमेटिक ले लेता, क्योंकि नया हो गया ब्लॉक लेवल एलिमेंट, इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल टेक एज 100%. हाँ, ओके. Align items, center, okay. Before that, I will apply the border for that to look good. Ah, yeah. Ah, justify content. Ah, space around. हो गया? But I want like this only. Yeah. Then next. So space between. Hmm. But it is taking so border solid. Only this much only it will take. Width बढ़ाएंगे. Okay, next. We will increase the width. Fine. Good answer. Next. Any other plans? How we can increase the width now? Basis. Okay. So string. By using string, we can decrease the nav section colon first child. How much flex basis we need to give it? 10 percentage. Okay. Nav section colon and child of 2. How much percentage? 7. 70 percentage. Okay. Nav section colon and child of 3. Sorry. CSS basis. Here. How much I need to give? 20 percentage. Now you can divide it. Now if it is divided means, is there any need of justify content here? Any changes there? Is it clear now? All of you? Now after that, what you need to do? You need to take the section height as 100 percentage, or else you can use here as a section is there, right? Height inherit. So what is the use case of inherit? Now you can check. Is it clear, ma? If it is inherit means what is a parent property? Exactly same to same copy paste. So here, if you can check here, what is the parent height? 70 pixel. Same to same, that one only it will also copy. That's it. That is nothing but a inherit. That is nothing but a inherit. It means you have your father is having the 100 acres of land. Inherit to you only, right? Yes or no? That 100 acres is belongings to yours only. Is it clear, ma? That is nothing but a inherit. Okay, now internal one, now we will to do. So section, display, flux, align items, center, justify content, center. Align center now. Navigation we need to design. Navigation means inside the navigation what I need to use? UL tag, inside that LI tag, inside that anchor tag. Home. Okay. Now same structure repeat again. LI inside that anchor, contact. Again same. LI inside that anchor tag I'm using here as about. So LI inside that anchor tag carrier. CARRIER, right? I only, right? Now you can check how it is coming now. Now how can we convert that one now? To whom I need to give flux? To whom I need to give? UL. Very nice. UL display flux align items center justify content yes evenly equal it will be distributed. Okay, now we can check distributed. Why? Why Ray? It is the content width only. I need to increase the width. So how to increase that one? Width 90 percentage. It means 90 percentage, which means from the parent it is taking the 90 percentage of the width. Now you can check. Now I don't want this dots. So simply I will write less style none. That's it. Now you can check. Aligned up properly now. Yes or no? Aligned now anchor tag I want to change the colors means directly I will target the anchor tag and I will utilize those things. Now same to same as for the profile also. Same to same as for the profile also. Tomorrow's task. Try to design a Apple website logo. That part. Apple now bar. See, this one. Nothing I want. That's it. That one I want to design. Apple now bar ma. Anything is there? Nothing, right? Okay. This is the first one you need to design. Second one. Try to design both of them. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? Yeah. Any doubts are there? No doubts, Paka? Sure? You can try, guys. Open your laptops and you can try. What happened? Eh? Huh? Huh? Yeah, guys. Tomorrow, don't miss the class. Tomorrow is display grid. Grid properties. Don't miss the class. Till now, we are aligning only the one part only. Tomorrow, we will going to align in the two dimensions. Yeah. Yeah, guys. One more point. React offline classes are going to start of my batch only. If you want interest means you will come and attend the React. But the branch is JNTU. JNTU branch, 4 o'clock. Okay. Branch is JNTU. I am only the taking the React class all online later, sir. It will take time online. Classes are offline only. React classroom training it was. If you want interest means come and attend. Don't worry, sir. We don't know the JavaScript. Everything means there also I will revise JavaScript. After that only I will move to the React concepts. If your understanding is fine, you can continue. No, sir, I will not understand means again we will provide a new batch also. Okay. Is it fine? Yeah. Now, Barma. Guys, are you guys able to create the project? Means you can create this one, everything. Okay. If you want to create interesting means you can create below part also. Slowly, slowly. I will also take your project is like that only. Any one of the website I will take, we will do cloning of that website. That's it. That is your to start online. It will take time, Sridhar. Yeah. Today, our WWE done na means
क्रिएट किया
हाँ
अब बैकग्राउंड वो सब देखे
हाँ
जब मैं इसको इंस्पेक्ट कर रहा हूँ
मंडे नाइट रॉ ना
पूरा कंजेस्टेड हो जा रहा
तुमने इस ये नहीं लिखा ना मीडिया क्वेरीज का हाँ
क्या
हम वो बताऊंगा ना अभी वहां तक का नहीं आया है अभी बहुत सारा काम बाकी है इसमें इसको फ्लक्स
चीज को फ्लक्स लगा के फ्लक्स
एकदम एकदम क्या करोगे 300
फ्लक्स जैसे यूज कर रहा हूँ ये कंटेंट इधर आ जा रहा
वो आ जाएगा फ्लक्स डायरेक्ट इसको मत यूज करो इसको पेरेंट को यूज करो फ्लक्स इसको पेरेंट को यूज करो तभी तो आ रही
है इसके अंदर चार स्टैक्स है ये स्टैक ये यूज कर फ्लक्स ये सब कंटेंट इस साइड आ जा रहा है
तुम क्या इसको पेरेंट को कर रहे हो ये पूरा एक ये पूरा स्पैन है तुम स्पैन को दे रहे हो डिस्प्ले फ्लक्स तो इसी के अंदर ही तो चले वो सही तो चल रहा है देव को दो फ्लक्स
देख को फ्लक्स दिया ना
हाँ दे रहा है मेरा एक काम मतलब दे इसको फ्लक्स पर आप लगा दो
इससे क्या
देखो अब इसका बिट तुमने दे रहा है एग्जैक्टली 300 पिक्सल है ना जैसे वो बिट नहीं हो पाए
बस
हाँ रैप करना है बस सर टुडे वी आर डन मंडे नाइट रॉ yeah guys class is done yeah guys you have no doubt means you can leave tomorrow we will continue the class yeah